How to create Koho account. So what you're gonna have to do is just go to your preferred browser and search for Koho itself, and you should be able to get it as one of the first options. Once you enter the website, you'll be met with something like this. So an option that says pretty much just sign me up. What you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and press on that. So once you do, you're gonna have a 8-step option in order to make an account in Koho. So the first one is to put in your email address and password. Then you're gonna have to put in your first name and last name. So make sure you enter your legal first and last name exactly as they appear on your ID, and of course your date of birth. Then you're gonna have to press on the next button. So you're also gonna have to put in your home address, so enter your address as it appears on official documents. After doing a search for your location or pretty much one of the closest locations, go ahead and press on next, and you're gonna put in your occupation. So just go ahead and choose from the options that they give you, and once you do that, just go ahead and press on next. You're gonna put in your mobile number as well, and a referral code, which is optional, and if you do have one. At this point, it's pretty much just verification, so it's gonna send you a number to your specific number. What you're gonna have to do is just put in the number, and after this, now you're gonna have to verify yourself, of course, using official documents or whatever it requires you. And after you do that, you should be able to create your account on a Koho website, or you could also do an app, since they do give the option here at the top. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.